Jasmine. I'm 8 years old and I'm very happy to see you. Now, I wanna tell you, I wanted to do this video because eating healthy is a big responsibility, and it's very important to eat healthy because your body needs nutrients to make your body healthy and strong. If you don't put nutrients inside your body will get very sick. So eating healthy is a big thing. I hope you like this video and enjoy. Now, it all started with my grandma. She loved to cook, and me too. Then I cooked and cooked healthy, and one day I asked my mom, why is healthy important? And she said, because if you don't put nutrients inside your body, you can't move, and that's why a lot of people can actually get sick because it doesn't have nutrients and has to eat a lot of, let's say, medicals. What you eat is what you digest. If you're doing this diet, I recommend you to get this book. It has every single nutrient your body needs. It's this thick, and I'm gonna recommend you that you buy this. Let me show you. I recommend you to buy this. This with honey, it's very good. This, if you have bacteria in your stomach and you feel bad, this will give it nutrients and yummy. It can be a little sour, but with a little bit of, not sugar, but honey, a little bit. So it's very yummy, this with honey and blueberries. And this is perfect to start. Remember to subscribe.